Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do the phantom train glitch. Yes, I found this glitch found this glitch by myself, so I'm just gonna show you guys to it because I'm a flame things with people YouTuber. So yeah, so let's get straight into the video and let's go. Hold up, let me just Yo, what the heck just happened? Yo, is that a trick shot? This is a trick shot, bro. This has to be a trick shot, and that has to be a trick shot. Okay, whatever. Get down there. Okay, now he's just gonna be over farming. Okay, so first you're gonna need to jump grab yourself. So in that case, you're gonna need an alt account. So first you get the jump grab ready for the alt account to just grab you. And then go to your alt account. Ride the blob man. Now they've jump grabbed you. You do the same glitch that Brickfield did, like how to fly a train. So do that glitch, and then just fly into the house board. If I can catch the train. Yo, what the freak? Ride the train. Ride it. Oh yeah, I suck at this. Yeah, guys, don't blame me. Just blame the game, cause just blame the game. I swear, I'm riding the thing. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then you're gonna fly into the house board with like on the train, and then once you like reset, I think. Cause I did go to found out this glitch like a long time ago. So just like control the train and stuff, and then just like try to fly the train, not the blob at the train into the house board. My train's going crazy right now, so let me try greenhouse real quick. What happened to the blob man? Well, I'm not gonna do that again. Not to do glitch again. Well, no. Frick that thorn couch. Wait. Okay. Jump grab. Get my alt account to jump grab me. Boom. Okay, they've jump grabbed me now, so I'm gonna fly the train this time easily. So I'm gonna fly the train now easily. So I'm gonna fly the train now easily after dance at the barn. Boom. Hop the train. Sorry, my voice is just sound weird. And just fly into the house board. What in the actual heck is happening? Trust me, guys, this works. It's not a scam. Trust me. This is not clickbait. I swear it works. And just freaking fly into the house border, bro. There, like that. And like if you reset, that means the glitch worked, and then now you can like. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but in my other videos you guys hear it. So I'm just gonna turn up the volume and see if you guys hear it. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna stand right here and tell me if you guys hear it. Okay, this is awkward. So if you guys heard the train, thank you for watching, and goodbye, Renee, people. And if as you can see, the train is gone. No train there. No train there. No train there. The train's deleted. So this is basically like a train deletion glitch, aka phantom train glitch. I don't know if it kinda. It's a mixture of both. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed that video, just smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, people. Goodbye.